With 2020 coming to an end, a lot of you have asked me how I was able to get where I am today, regularly publish YouTube videos, grow my business, make more money, be healthy, do all the things. I grew in 2020, and now I'm going to tell you how I made that happen. Hi everybody, I'm Yvonne Heimann with AskEvie.com, and I am a business efficiency consultant for digital entrepreneurs. And if you're ready to streamline your business and skyrocket your sales, you are perfect right here on my channel. Because if you want to be more productive and more efficient in your life and your business, go hit the subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And today is going to be a little bit a different video. I'm not going to walk you through any kinds of tools and how to and all of those. No, I'm going to share with you the 5 hacks that have allowed me to be the best self that I can be more productive, grow my business, and regularly show up for you right here on my YouTube channel. Number 1, and this is a thing that I have been doing now for over a year and a half regularly. I barely skip ever a day. Yes, there is seasons in between where I might be doing my NLP training and I'm gone for a week and I might not be journaling because it's literally a go, go, go. But you already heard it, journaling. I've been now journaling for a year and a half, and it has been a godsend. It has allowed me to see things that are working for me, to see things that are not working for me, but also gratitude, starting the day on a happy note. Initially, I did that on pen and paper, just with a regular Leuchtturm journal and my favorite pen. I have since then moved into my iPad. I use GoodNotes, and it's really simple. My goal is 1 page of journaling a day. The first 3 things, I literally number them in the beginning. 1, 2, and 3 is 3 things I'm grateful for. That's how I start my day. If that is my dog, if that is a new pillow, if that is a good night's sleep, if that is a person, if that is my determination, whatever it is, 3 things every single morning. And then I just fill up the rest of the page with whatever comes to my mind. That leads me into number 2, my morning ritual. Journaling is part of my morning ritual, but I wanted to make sure to really mention that separately because it is a big thing. The rest of my morning routine also involves the Daily Stoic, a great recommendation from Amy Schmidhauer. Saw that on her channel. The Daily Stoic is literally 1 page a day of reading, and it is great to let you see things in a different perspective, trigger things, be like, oh, that. Perfect. Always a piece of my morning ritual. I do have 2 different sets of cards. One is more of a, let me show you those. That is one of them. This is a single one where magic times, where you really just have little cards. I just pull one whichever feels right at a given time. That then just triggers something in me or what I want to focus on that day. If I have some things that I want to dig deeper in or whatever, I use my Shadowscape Tarot. And really, it's not as much woo-woo as you would think. It's more of a triggering things in me, making me think of certain things, making me focus of things. Now, I do like to talk to my unconscious mind. And if you've been following me, you know I've done my NLP, hypnotherapy, and part of that also was pendulum. How do you use a pendulum to figure things out? And I gotta tell you, my unconscious mind is quite opinionated, and she does speak up when she needs or wants something. And the pendulum helps me listen to my gut better. It's already there, it's already in my mind, I already can feel it, but I have a convincer strategy where I really want to make sure, is this really what I want to do? That's where my pendulum helps. Now, the third thing that really helps me stay on track is feeling good. And feeling good to me means staying in motion. So after my whole morning stuff is done and we got the whole morning routine done and I got my coffee and I just started the day nice and easy, We take Bailey out for a walk. I always try to get at least my 6,000 steps in, which is quite a workout when you sit on the desk all day. But I also recently have added my PELETON in the morning. Usually do that in the evening with my coach Stephanie and my friend. But I have found when I do my PELETON in the morning, I start the day with a heck yeah attitude. Because I do choose certain trainers on PELETON that do feed into this heck yeah and motivational energy, which is just amazing. And with that, I already start the day on a high note. And before I get into the office, it forces me to take a shower, which to me is a cleansing and starting the day fresh. With 2020, we've all been sitting around, and I was never a big fan of working in jammies except for when I have a really crazy day. Just because I want to feel the role. I am at my best if I look my best. That doesn't mean I have to wear all the makeup and do the lashes and the curly hair. It just means I need to feel good. And I feel lazy and boring when I'm not cute, when I'm in my jammies. Now, you had a busy day, you got a whole bunch of stuff done. The evening is important too. So number 4 for you is the end of your day. I schedule when I go to bed. It is a conscious decision. I am not just, oh my God, I'm tired, now let's go to bed. No, I consciously decide 10:30, it is time to go to bed. And I do have a procedure, a habit, a process of going to bed, believe it or not. Right now, because it's fairly cold outside, at least for San Diego.
You guys with snow, have fun with that.
For San Diego, it's fairly cold right now, so I do the whole hot chocolate in the evening. It's just kind of like getting cozy and cuddled up in my bed. Reading my book, brushing my teeth. Once 10:30 hits or 11, I put my book away, I go brush my teeth, I turn on my Calm app, and I fade off. It doesn't matter how tired I am, if I should go to sleep or if I shouldn't go to sleep. Between 10:30 and 11, that's when I turn over and I am ready to go to sleep. If I'm still up, I might choose a different meditation on Calm. I might choose a different sleep story on Calm, but I consciously decide it is time to go to sleep. Now, my body has gotten used to it. It works easier on it. The only time I am not so strict about that is on weekends, where if I want to read more or if I actually want to watch TV, I don't have a TV in my bedroom anymore, which is going to be a standard for me. I don't think in the future I'm going to bring a TV back into my bed. No. And number 5 is going to be a little bonus tip for you. You might have heard that one before. For your work, for your tasks, here's your ClickUp tip. When you are scheduling and working on your task, first of all, theme them. Make it easy for your brain to stay into the same zone and get stuff done. Meaning those days, because I'm already gonna be live, I'm already cute, the face is already made up, it's a video day, period. This is when I record videos. I am with my head in the video space, in my script space. I already am used to looking at the camera again rather than looking down at the screen and not looking at you guys. Theme your days. Admin days, client days, getting shit done days, video days. Build them in buckets. Secondary, use a custom field in ClickUp for your brain power. When you are building your tasks out and you're dumping them into your ClickUp, have the task field in there for low brain power, medium brain power, and high brain power. You also can use a custom field for energy level. Is this a draining task? Is this an exciting task? Is this a whatever task? Between those two different modalities in your ClickUp, if you are waking up in the morning, and Mike Hardy on the live, grab the link right here, he was amazing on my live show. He was talking about, when you have one of those days where you wake up and you're just like, I don't want to work. I'm just tired. The one thing that can keep you moving forward, little tasks. Grab tasks that are low brain power that might even energize you and throw those in the morning. And you know what suddenly happens? You are still getting things done. You are still being more productive. You are still moving towards your goals, because you're not just sitting on the couch and be like, life. You might not be feeling like going on camera and getting it all done. Okay, then start writing the script or research some potential guests. You can do that even from the couch with your coffee. Now everybody, if you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed yet, come on, what's holding you back? Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And if you like it, give me a thumbs up and I'll be bringing you more of these personal productivity videos, how I run my life, how I become the most productive self that I can be. Thumbs up and I'll know to bring you more of these videos.